Welcome to Unbelievably Science, where today we unlock the electrifying chemistry of lightning with 9 dazzling discoveries. Lightning strikes produce a powerful chemical factory in the sky, creating nitrogen oxides crucial for fertilizing plants. Did you know that a single lightning bolt can break apart nitrogen molecules in the air? This process helps create compounds essential for plant growth. What if I told you that every lightning storm is a cosmic cocktail shaker, mixing gases and sparking life-sustaining chemistry? Here's a shocker: lightning can produce hydroxyl radicals, nature's scrub brush that helps clean pollutants from the atmosphere. Would you believe that the chemistry of lightning could help us understand ancient atmospheres on distant planets? During a storm, lightning generates gamma rays and even antimatter, showing that this natural phenomenon is more than just Earth's fireworks display. How about the fact that each bolt of lightning can heat the air to 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, creating unique plasma chemistry? In the electrifying world of thunderstorms, lightning-induced reactions can produce ozone, playing a role in Earth's delicate atmospheric balance. Surprisingly, flashes of lightning help convert soil nutrients into forms more easily absorbed by plants, acting as nature's very own fertilizer system. Unlock more mind-blowing facts by liking, subscribing, and staying unbelievably curious.